Hello everyone. Today we are looking at a very unique Braniff historical piece that are housed in the Braniff International Heritage Archives here at Braniff Airways Foundation. This piece is called Progress in Flight, and it was built in 1965 by Braniff's Maintenance Department out of lucite and aluminum framing. The original piece was 160 inches long by 36 inches deep by nearly 9 feet in height. And this was built to go in the lobby at Exchange Park, which you know was recently torn down, and we no longer have that with us. But anyway, we do have this beautiful sculpture. Let me run you down here so you can kind of see how these are in different panels. The actual panels were changed at one time. Let me maneuver in between these cabinets here so you can kind of look. Open this up here. All right, you can see the beauty of these panels here as we get back so you can see those just a little bit better. There we go, right there. Notice the aviation, the Electra there, DC-6 over here, 707. The space program, our older aircraft, even way back to the earliest days. We have missiles and rockets. And this was kind of a cascading type of unit that created this unique piece there that sat in the lobby for quite a while there at Exchange Park. There's the DC series. So I thought we'd show you that today, another unique piece that we have kept preserved here for future generations to admire and enjoy. This will actually be brought out, put back to the way that it originally was for our 100th anniversary in 2028. See you next time.